Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Lenovo K12. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K12 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click here date and time. Now here you can see this is the date and this is the time, but it is invisible. You can't edit the date and time. Here's the things you need to turn off this use network provided time. You need to off it, and after that this things is going to be visible. You can easily change the date you want. For example, I want 2019, make it okay, and I want to change the time. You can easily choose the time you want. If I go back, I will see my phone, the phone time has successfully changed. So in this way we can easily change date and time in your Lenovo K12. But the thing is, I will definitely suggest you to turn on network time, which what that does means if you are in Dubai and you went to London, immediately your phone is going to be appear that country area time. So in order to enable the network, that will be appear automatically going to be changing the time. So if you want to do that, you need to click here setting, scroll all the way down and click here system and click here date and time, and you can easily turn off. You can usually use network provided time. So in this way you can easily change date and time in your Lenovo K12. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.